right. We're going to start with stoves, but I want you guys to know that whatever you pick in your kitchen, it has to match. If you pick white stove, you have to have a white refrigerator and a white dishwasher and a white microwave. Stainless steel, black, same difference. All right, so this is the stove that is included. It is electric, coils, the deal. There's the oven. All right, there is this over here is, and I don't think that one comes with a microwave, just so you know. This is the one that we have. It's got the glass top, all the fun stuff. There's the oven, and here is the microwave that it comes with. It's the same one that Gabby had at her old house. This is the one we have at our house. Let me go over here and show you the other options. This is the stainless steel one with the stainless steel microwave, and I want to say that that's $300 more, but I'm not sure. If you get back to me and say that you want me to look at the different price stuff, I will tell you how much it is. This is the black with like the gas range, so you can pick either gas or electric. This is the gas range in the black, and I think that, oh, and there's the microwave, sorry. So if you guys tell me that you want me to pick the black or the stainless steel, oh, and here is the gourmet kitchen double oven, which is just beautiful, but I think that that's really expensive. If you tell me you want me to check the price on the black or check the price on the stainless steel or anything like that, just let me know and I will check it and get back to you. All right.